The spines that cover almost every plant in this desert can provide protection and shelter for many animals. So why should these spikes be hung with corpses? What kind of creature could be responsible for creating such a gruesome scene? There's a mysterious killer at work in this desert. It's a butcher bird. This little songbird uses the spines as a butcher uses his hook to hold its prey as it dismembers it. And with chicks to feed, he also uses the spines as a larder. He's been stocking it for weeks.